Unleash your imagination and bring your wildest visual stories to life with OpenAI's revolutionary Sora. Creating a video in Sora starts with crafting a compelling prompt, a circumflex euros. Your verbal blueprint for the AI be descriptive, evocative, and specific about what you want to see. Think about the mood, the setting, the characters, and the action. For instance, instead of just eagle flying, try something like a majestic eagle soars over a snow-capped mountain range at dawn, its wings reflecting the golden light. This paints a much richer picture for Sora. Once you've entered your prompt, Sora will interpret it and begin generating your video. You can then explore different variations, refining your prompt or making adjustments to achieve the perfect scene composition. Sora empowers you to go beyond simple generation. You can guide the AI by specifying camera movements, a circumflex euros. Think a sweeping pan or a dramatic zoom. You can also dictate the pacing, from a leisurely amble to a frantic chase. Experiment with different creative techniques. Want to evoke a sense of wonder? Use descriptive words that suggest that feeling need a specific artistic style. You can sometimes guide Sora towards that as well, pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. By mastering prompt creation, understanding scene composition, and employing creative techniques, you can harness the incredible power of Sora to translate your unique visual ideas into stunning, AI-generated videos. The future of storytelling is here, and it's waiting for your command.